my friends, welcome to my channel. Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. I'm in Chicago, in the McDonald's of the McDonald's Hamburger University. Follow me. Here's the Hamburger University. The only thing that is different from the normal McDonald's menu, that you have different McDonald's items from around the world. Bye my friends, in the next YouTube video.